Hey everyone, Tony Winston here, Jazz Piano College. Got a request to do a great song. I think it came out in 1957 or 58, and I was 3 years old at that time. And there's a great video of this, a black and white video. Go look it up. Start of Something Big. Um, and I have this chart from a band leader that I used to work with, Del Baroni's band, and it just had the chords. So I sketched in the melody, and then I said, I cannot present this to my YouTube viewers, so I wrote it out here. It's not much better, but at least it's more readable. And I got to say now, the melody, I just put the melody that kind of it sounded like to me on the first pass. When I listened to it again, I heard some little things that didn't seem exactly right. So, the melody's close, but I'm not saying it's exact. I couldn't find a chart anywhere. So we've got a little pickup here. So. All right, so it could be a great bebop, not bebop, but a swing tune to play and to jam on. The chords are, pretty straight ahead and everything. The chart's down there for you. It's in the key of C. Some of the melodic things I think I got wrong are, it might just be like D, D there at the beginning. Maybe just C, C. Who knows? And then right here, it might just be two D's there. So, it's got to be a C7th chord, but I always heard the melody is with that B natural in it. And it goes by quickly, don't worry about it. Some drop 2 here would be good. What you do there. Keep it on D minor. Do a little tritone thing there, and then there's no chords written in here, but it's it's a 3-6-5, 3-6-2-5. Do something fancy if you like. So here, see, I had to put that B flat in. Sorry about that. And then maybe something like right there. I didn't write anything in there, but C, G minor, G dominant. And that's kind of a break there. Right where that rest is. And now, one thing I don't talk about very much is rhythm, because it's something I don't think about that much. It's just that if you listen to this music, the rhythm just becomes, part of you. I suppose if I studied it a little bit more, it would certainly help my playing, and maybe I'll do that. But rhythmically, this song is pretty interesting. You know, it uses the same ba-da-ba-da-ba kind of rhythm in the verse. And that's, you know, a fairly complicated rhythm. I mean, not terribly complicated, but, you know, it's syncopated. Ba-do-ba-da-ba, ba-ba, ba-do-ba-da-ba, you know? And then how do they contrast that in the bridge? Just dee da 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 dee da da, all quarter notes. I mean, it's so nice that they do that. And you know, if you're a beginning improviser and you're trying to learn how to improvise, look how simple these melodies can be. You know, I always tell learn the scales and stay on the scale for a while until you know what all the notes sound like. And this can take days, months, years. Could just go to a C there and do something like that, but I just wrote it as D flat 7th and then to C. So you might want to fill that in. Something like that, maybe C, tritone substitution. Maybe go back to the B flat. Could we do, what am I doing wrong there? I'm trying to do drop 2, but it's not working out. Doesn't sound right there. It would sound good if it was up here, but on the root, I don't know. Just leave it. And then at the end, there is that kind of a tag. This could be the start of something. This could be the start of something big. This could be the start of something big. Put an ending on.